The 15 judges at the International Court of Justice have heard evidence from 99 countries and dozens of organisations. They are trying to determine the legal obligations of states to tackle climate change and to repair the harm caused, such as island nations losing territory to rising sea levels. The testimony has at times been technical, but also impassioned and emotional. Small island states have argued their existence is at stake, so international human rights laws must apply to climate change.
For young people, the demand for reparations is crucial for justice. We have inherited a planet in decline and face the grim prospect of passing on an even more degraded world to future generations. Equally clear is the demand for immediate cessation. If greenhouse gas emissions are not stopped, we are not just risking our future, we are welcoming its demise.
Countering that argument were several big polluting nations, including China, India, Britain and the United States. They argued that only climate treaties, such as the 2015 Paris Agreement, confer any legal obligations on nation-states regarding climate change.
An advisory proceeding is not the means to litigate whether individual states or groups of states have violated obligations pertaining to climate change in the past or bear responsibility for reparations, as some participants have suggested.
Many advocates for reparations were optimistic as the two-week hearing closed Friday.
We still stand hopeful because we have told our stories. We have told our stories from our heart.
The judges may conclude that only existing climate agreements are relevant in law, or they could be much more ambitious, explains climate law expert Renatus Otto Franz Dörler.
In terms of saying that, yes, states cause climate change, it is a breach of international law, and therefore states are obligated to pay a financial compensation and cessation of all these harmful activities.
Dörler said such an outcome would likely lead to further legal uncertainties over how and where such compensation claims would be heard. The judge's opinion, which won't be legally binding, is expected to be published next year. Henry Ridgwell, VOA News.